Let's create a simple Python program, which adds two numbers together. First, we'll prompt the user to enter the first number. We'll use the input function to receive user input and convert it to a numeric format using the float function. This allows the program to handle decimal numbers. Next, we'll ask the user for the second number following the same steps. We'll prompt the user to enter the second number. We'll use the input function to receive user input and convert it to a numeric format using the float function. Once we have both numbers, we'll add them together using Python's addition operator. This operator, represented by the plus sign, plus symbol, performs arithmetic addition between numeric values. The result of this operation is stored in a new variable called result and ease of use in next steps. Finally, we'll clearly display the calculated sum to the user by using Python's built-in print function. This function allows us to present the result in a readable and user-friendly format, making it easy for anyone to see the outcome of our calculation directly on the screen.